If you have this thing in the workshop, Block 929 family, last time we unboxed the lathe machine and we showed you how the lathe machine looked and we were all excited about it, and I can see many people watched it and they liked it. But now, in this video, we are going to unbox a bandsaw, and I'm sure it's also going to be very exciting. So first of all, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you. Yeah, this thing has been standing for quite a long time. I think it has been sitting. Hey, this could be 3 years maybe, or 4 years since I bought it. And I've never even looked at it to see how it is. And when I went to the shop to tell them that I've never opened that machine, they were very surprised. I think it's also got a bolt at the bottom.
Yeah.
Looks like they always secure this thing, so we need to check.
Supposed to check.
You found where the bolt is, eh? You have to tilt it and see.
Yeah.
What's in those boxes?
Check.
Yeah, I was worried about this because water. Oh, is that water or is that glue that they put?
It's an oil.
Oh, is that oil they put to the wheels?
The wheels.
Okay, so you can be standing on wheels.
Yeah. And there's bolts and nut washers.
Okay, so they must be coming under the what?
There's two.
Wow. They call this a bandsaw, eh? It's called a bandsaw. And it's a very important tool to have in the workshop. Because now, when we want to cut steel, more especially the square tubes, and we want to cut miters and all those kind of things, then they're just simplified. I think these are legs. It's to make it stand on.
Yeah.
So that we can connect those wheels. I think so. I'm so sure these are legs. We shall see.
I want to find where the bolt.
Okay. You can tilt it completely because it's fastened, it won't fall.
Yeah.
And you know what? We should not damage this box because there's a customer who wants to buy a machine in Gambia.
Oh.
Thank you. Here we are with the bandsaw. So where did you read
This one. It shows this one is for 3-phase, two single phase. When you use this connection is for 3-phase.
Oh, so it depends on how you are going to connect.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one is 0 to. Okay. Supposed to open this one and check.
Okay.
Yeah.
This oil, you should find something to clean it with. Wow. This is yet another addition to the workshop to make life much easier and to bring in quality in the work. This is a nice piece of equipment. If you have this thing in the workshop, you eliminate a lot of challenges. There you go. We just unboxed a bandsaw and I hope you enjoyed it. So leave a comment and tell us what you think. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment.